Hey, and welcome to another episode of Grow Your Business with Email Marketing. Today, I'm going to dive into a true confession time of I'm an email marketer, but I love setting up funnels, creating incredible emails for my sequences that convert. However, I've spent so much time building funnels, creating landing pages, and sending emails for my clients, I've neglected to build my own list for so long. 6 months ago, I decided it was time to invest in my own list and in my own business. Because I've been doing it so long for my own clients, I decided, okay, I need to make my own goals and I want to build 1,000 subscribers in 6 months with organic traffic. Yet there was one little problem with this plan. I don't like to write. There, I said it, I don't like to write, but I love email marketing. On the surface, that seems like a conflict, and it's pretty difficult to resolve. One option, I could have chosen to hire a copywriter. And full disclosure, I have someone on my team, she's fabulous, and she writes a little bit of the copy and editing support. However, my budget for building my list didn't match the investment of bringing on a copywriter to do that full time. So I had a backup plan. I decided to use PLR. PLR is also known as private label rights. Content, also known as white label content. Essentially, when you purchase PLR, which is also very affordable, you buy the content rights to that content that has already been written by someone else that they are selling. Once you purchase the content, it is completely customizable by you, and you can transform it to incorporate it into your own branding and your voice, and it becomes 100% your content. I use PLR on a regular basis. I've used PLR to make freebie offers, also known as my call to attention, to attract my audience to me. I use PLR to make blog articles, which are posted once every week. I started consistently sending weekly emails, which are also included, you guessed it, PLR content, to my brand new subscribers on my email list. And you know what happened? In only 6 months, I met my goal and grew my email list from no contacts to 1,000 contacts. Once I had a list of engaged subscribers, I began to see that PLR content wasn't just good for my business. It could be the key to other business owners, including my own clients, to finally start being consistent in content creation so they could build their list, optimizing their SEO, and ultimately increase their revenue by getting their products in front of more people consistently. I was sold on PLR. The obvious next step for me was to become an affiliate, which I did for the sites where I purchased most of my content. Then I started dropping affiliate links into my weekly emails and occasionally on my social media sites. Over the next 6 months that I was growing my email list, I made $1,000 just blog emails. Not to mention, I grew by simply using PLR content in my own business. I was able to add a passive revenue stream by doing what I was already doing each week, sending emails. This was a win-win. My content creation became consistent and I grew my list and I increased my revenue. For those who have already taken this information best visually, let me break it down into a good diagram. Click the link below to get a little more information. Email marketing is a foundation for your business. Unlike social media sites, you can always have complete control over your list of people who have chosen to follow you. There's no algorithms to decide who sees your content or your emails or who doesn't. But the key to growing your list is a list of engaged subscribers and providing valuable content. PLR makes it so easy, and the cost of picking up a few PLR packs is a no-brainer. Click the link below for more information about how and all the fun details about how I grew it. Next time, tune in.